up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're motorbiking today, me and Martin. He has my Onyx RCR. I have my Super73 RX 72 volts. And we're heading down to Whittier. Hopefully catch the Lantern Festival. They're releasing it at Whittier Lake. And at about 6 p.m. is when they let go of the lanterns. Hopefully we could see the light show from a distance. We didn't buy any tickets or anything, but we just want to be around the event. That's all. So we'll see what kind of content we could get. Just past Baldwin Park. We're trying to get in the bike lane here shortly, so we can head south towards Whittier Narrows. I think I only have 76 volts on this battery. I did not charge fully. I think Martin has like 80 some volts on the Onyx RCR. Alright, time to go south. This is something I did not want to do by myself for sure. So it's nice that Martin's here. I love lantern festivals, and I did the Rise in Vegas. This one's a little bit different. They're obviously not letting it on the, they're not releasing it in the air, but they are releasing it in the body of the water. So it's something different for sure. It's hopefully it's like a nice light show during the night. And this is when we would be conserving battery, so we're gonna kind of just go around 20 miles per hour here. Crystal had work, so I didn't really have, we didn't really have the opportunity to go to the event. I think tickets were only like, I think around 30 bucks. I forgot already. So I'm taking Martin instead. What do we got here? Bikers? Yep, 4 mini motorbikers. Just having the blast with the buddies. I think that's like South El Monte area. We should be approaching Whittier soon, shortly here. Oh, there's still some people fishing at night. Interesting. Is that a good time to fish in the dark? I don't know, fishing is not really my hobby. Alright, we're pretty much in Whittier. We're gonna see if they blocked off this event, how well they blocked off this lake or not. We're just gonna try to get close to it as much as we can. Ooh, chilly spots. Does that mean like we're nearby water? Is that what that means? I really don't know how cold spots and warm spots work. It is nice to see that they actually made a new bike lane here that I see. We're gonna make a left onto it now. It's on Rosemead Boulevard. There's a new bike lane, so that's cool. This is what I mean here. This bike lane, you could see it's still pretty fresh. That's cool. What was this before? Like nothing, or a sidewalk? I can't even see it. It's so dark. Like I thought there would be a lot of people. We shall see. We're 1.3 miles away. But yeah, we could see it in the distance. Those lights. All right, back on the bike path. Trying to get close to where the party's at. Wow, so you can actually just watch it. We didn't need to buy a ticket. We could literally just... Let me turn my lights off. Heck yeah. Guys, you could just e-bike to the event without having to get the ticket. I thought there would be like fences and gates everywhere. Where do you want to park? Here? We made it in just in time. 6 p.m. Heck yeah. People have been here for like an hour. Like what they do is they write like I don't know, like their goodbyes or like or notes or stuff like that. It's like it's a tradition, and yeah, the Vegas one is cool because it's actual lanterns we let out in the sky.
These are lanterns?
These are water lanterns that they release on the water.
I get it.
No, they can't do that in LA. They have to do it in the desert.
Yeah, forest fire.
Yeah, but pretty soon we'll see it in the water, so that's cool. Well, the next time we'll just come earlier. Yeah, but dude, I'm just happy we're actually in, because we didn't pay no ticket. Alright, me and Martin chilled here for about 35 minutes. Most folks have already released their lanterns. It's pretty nice when you're up close. Alrighty, most people are kind of done, so we're gonna head on out of here too. Very cool event, especially for free. We're in and out of here. Very good find. Something I'm definitely gonna do again next year. Very cool. Definitely bike here, or walk if you can, because look at all that parking mess that this event brings. We'll pack like picnic mats and chairs and snacks, all the goodies next time. Maybe have our own make our own lanterns, because each lantern was, I think, $29 or something. On our way back on the bike lanes. That's going to be in today's night vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in on today's experiment. Happy to say it was successful. I didn't think we would get in close to the water, but we did. And hopefully we could do the same thing again next year. That's going to be in today's night adventure. This is Julian and Martin signing out. Like and subscribe for more content. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.